Okay, you might have noticed at the end of the last video on the assembly drawing, I showed you how to do the leaders with the numbers in the middle. And what we do is we go to the annotate toolbar and we select bubble there, because that's something I've already set up for you on my drawing template. On the web version, it's a little bit more complicated. Make sure you're not in a command or anything, and you might look here, you'll see we've got the layers, current layers, and it says multi-leader style, and we've got options of annotative, bubble, or standard. So we're going to pick bubble. Okay, of course that's something we've already got set up. So then we go to leader, and we can do our leader line, and you'll see it comes up with tag number there. Whereas over here we choose bubble, multi-leader. Let's just do one very quickly. And it asks us what information we want to put in there. So, yeah, okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to get rid of that now. So we've got tag number. So what we need to do, we need to ungroup this. So before we do anything, it's probably best off making sure that we've got it in the right place. Of course, once we've ungrouped it, it's going to be trickier to edit. Okay, we don't ungroup in AutoCAD, we explode. So if you see that, I typed EX, there's explode, we select that, press enter, and now that's broken down into separate components, so you can see we can move the line separate from the arrow and things like that. But what that does mean is we can click on tag number, and we can go down to here, we can use the backspace key, and we can type 1, and there we are. Job done. All right, thank you very much.